Hello everyone, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com, and today I am so excited to share with you a work from home job that I talked about before for you all to apply to online that comes from Disney. So they need people to work from home to insert commercials during live streams. This is a non-phone work at home job that does not require experience, so I'm going to tell you all about that, as well as a data entry job that doesn't appear to be one, and as well as some other companies that are hiring people to work from home. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so. Thank you for subscribing if you've done so already, and if you like the content that I'm sharing, give me a thumbs up. So when I found this job today, I was actually searching for work at home jobs as I normally do throughout the week, and I posted brand new work at home jobs on the weekly job page. But as I was searching for jobs, I came across this opportunity that I posted before a few months back, but I couldn't find any recent openings. And I kept checking and checking. Well, eventually I found the job again. So I'm really excited to share this with you all because I know a lot of people who watch this video or want to work from home or maybe is starting their work at home journey is looking for jobs and companies that hire people without experience to work from home or a beginner. And I actually wrote a post today that you all can read over, actually entitled 31 work at home jobs for beginners, that you can read and get access to additional companies. But this is the job that I wanted to share with you. It comes from Disney. They are hiring content insertion assistants to work from home. Now these jobs were just posted a few days ago, actually 5 days ago. They will probably go pretty fast. Some of the jobs that I post on the weekly job page, I go back and check sometimes and the jobs have already been filled, so you won't find that particular opening, but you all can always go and search for other remote jobs from that company. So as you can see, they are hiring, and I'm going to go right into the job details so that you can see what I'm talking about here. Now, although it lists a specific state, they are hiring remotely because as you read through the job description, it does say that this is a part-time remote position where you're going to be working 20 to 30 hours a week, which also is going to include weekends, late nights, and holidays. That is a requirement. So if you're not prepared to work during those times or hours, you may want to try another position. But if you are, and this seems interesting to you, please apply online. So they're looking for live event operators. And what you're going to be doing is coordinating commercial breaks during the live stream cast. You're going to do this on your end, monitor the event feed, and report any kind of audio or technical issues to the supervisor and insert those commercial breaks. So that's what your job responsibility is really going to require. Pretty much, like I said, entry-level, easy work-at-home job. In order to qualify, though, you will need to be able to work those various shifts that I mentioned earlier, which would include weekends, late nights, and holidays, and that you can work remotely. Here, they do say you need up to 1 year related experience. Now, the key in that bullet point is the starting point, which is 0. So if you don't have any experience, you can still apply and you would be qualified to get this position. Again, you need to be able to multitask and be able to identify various audio and visual issues and be focused while you're doing this kind of work, which is probably repetitive work. So just keep that in mind. But if this is something interesting to you, please apply online. Now, although it doesn't say in the job description how much Disney pays for this job, I wrote a post about it and included the pay when I wrote it a few months back. It is hourly pay, Remember, it's part-time. And if you have these additional skills, of course, that will give you a greater chance of getting hired, but it's not required. So if you're familiar with sports or you have some video editing software experience, strong computer skills, or experience live streaming, that's great, a plus for them, but not a requirement. So please make sure you apply to this position. They have a few openings, like I said, that you can see on their official website, and these jobs will probably get filled pretty quick. An entry-level non-phone work-at-home job from Disney that you can apply to, so definitely make sure you check that out. Again, I will link this in the description right below the video with the post so you can read all the details, including how much you can expect to earn per hour doing this from home. Now, on the weekly job page, that posted brand new work at home jobs, and one of them that I wanted to share with you is this one right here. It is called a panel data associate from Numerator. They will provide your technical equipment, but this is actually a data entry job. Even though it's not labeled as that, when you read the job description, you'll see that that's what it is, because you're going to have to match items from shopping receipts and websites to brand and product categories, and then make sure those entries are accurate. So you have to have good organizational skills, verbal skills, and this job will provide you with your technical equipment, and it comes with benefits. So basically, if you have some data entry experience here, it's a plus, but it's not required. And they do say that they're going to train the right candidate who is eager to do this from home. They also have other remote positions, but if you're interested, please make sure you apply. It is a full-time job. I don't know exactly how much they will pay, but definitely make sure you apply. And if you're looking for some other non-phone work at home or entry-level jobs, there are some others that you can apply to here, and also a company that hires in California, and also other jobs that hire worldwide. So I just wanted to make a quick video to share that with you today. Remember, come to the weekly job page for additional work at home job leads. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so, and make sure you check out for my next video. Thanks for watching.